She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Hello, we're heading to Santa Maria right now to visit my father-in-law. It's gonna be a long drive, about 4 hours to 5 hours. It's depending on traffic. So right now we're heading to the pet shop. We're going to pick up my father-in-law birthday gift. It's gonna be birds, buggies. So I'll see you in a bit. I'll see you at the store. Bye. To the pet shop and we're gonna pick up the birds. Okay, let's go.
The bird that we chose.
Okay, we got the bird. It's already inside.
Yay, we're almost at my dad's place. And all this time, this guy keeps saying his name. Just so the birds can like learn how to say his name. How do you say it?
On.
He keeps saying on the whole time.
On. Guys, if you have cars, it's so helpful that you have adaptive cruise control. Right now, my feet is resting for 3 hours drive.
We have arrived in my dad's place.
After 4 hours of driving.
Chad, let's go. What's so nice about here is that it's so quiet. Niloloko niya ako na rin, naliligaw daw kami.
Naliligaw nga kami.
Okay, let's go.
Ligaw na ligaw.
Ang tulin nyo Kung hindi kayo hinabol ng mga pulis yan.
Ano ba?
Ang tulin
Hello!
Kusa dyan rin. Tangkad na yung batang to.
Oh my gosh guys. March pa lang dito. End of March. March 31st. Ang lamig. Sobrang lamig dito. So papasok ako ngayon sa bahay and we're gonna unpack first. March na. Pasko pa rin. Pa? Pa? March na. Pasko pa rin. Hi, so we are already settled. We also already built the cage. And we are gonna accessorize the bird cage. I made all these cute little stuff accessories for bird toys. Here, we're just gonna put all of this inside. We also made a swing. This cage, we bought it from Amazon. It's 54 inches in height, 24 inches in width, and then 17 inches length. It is actually pretty big. And then it already comes with 2 sticks. This one we bought the brown sticks. And then it comes with 4 cups for food and their water. I also bought this. I also bought this piñata for them. You can put the bird foods inside. This bridge, by the way, is one of my favorite that I did. It's so pretty. Look how nice their house is. Looks fun and colorful. Wow! Look. I want to be a temporary bird. I'm going inside there. But we have some more toys. Oh, it's already crowded.
It's already crowded.
How about this? No more?
I think it's too crowded. They can swap out toys every now and then.
Okay.
So if the birds get too bored of one toy, they can swap it out and bring in a new one.
Okay, let's bring them in.
Okay.
Let's bring them out.
Oh. We got the blue one. Oh.
Oh, that's a male. That one's a male.
That's one was the one that kept running around, right?
Oh, that's a noisy one. Oh. Hi. You like your house? So that's another male. Whoa. Whoa.
Careful.
We got the green one, that's male. And another one that's also male. Uh-oh. And a purple one. That's a female.
Is that all 4? Oh, it is.
Yeah. There you go.
They're kind of confused.
Do you guys like your house? Your new house? Wait, let's face it this way. Yay!
They don't know what to do.
Guys, you can drink water right here.
There's food.
Okay? You guys have also like food.
You're the one who talks a lot.
Oh, this one? See how he's listening? So there you go. My gift to Papa. So I have some old newspaper. I'm just gonna have to like lay it down there. And let's put it. There you go. If they peck you, that's fine because you're still new to them. Oh, this one's nice. He doesn't bite or anything.
It's falling asleep.
How about those 3? Those 3 are like of the same colors.
Maybe they're siblings. And then that one's just the one odd one out. They're just chilling.
Oh, he's on the swing. Oh, she. That's a she.
Is that the one that tried
one's
getting
so
it?
calm, right?
Yeah. That one's friendly.
That's one who talks a lot.
Yeah. It's like, what is that?
Eat mo na.
That's not food.
It's shy.
It's shy, but at least it's not flying away.
Or pecking.
Mm.
It still doesn't have full chop.
Ay, gaganda. May tulay pa sila.
Yeah, ito ginawa lang namin yan mga yan. Mga laruan nila.
Ginawalan nyo?
Oo.
Galing ah.
Tataas mo lang yan.
Ah.
Tapos, hilahin mo na itong mga taihan. Balik ka na ng dyaryo. Balik na ulit. Tapos.
May pakinabang na pala ang dyaryo ko ngayon. Lagi ko tinatawag.
Oh yeah.
Yan.
Oo.
Ay, ano pagkain? Ano yung manok?
Ay, hindi. Dalawang purple, babae. Ito, tsaka yun. Sa babae.
Alilin?
Purple.
Yung dalawang yun, babae?
Ito. Ito nasa tulay.
Ito nasa kanan?
Dalawa yan.
Dalawang babae yan?
Yeah, ito.
Lalaki
Tsaka
yan,
yun,
tsaka yan.
lalaki.
Oh.
Ito, vitamins nila. Ano naman yan?
Yung squid. Likod ng squid.
Ikiklip natin mamaya.
The next morning.
Morning. I'm gonna grab some orange. Wait. See that back?
Okay, let's go. You have so many lemons.
Look. Free orange. Help yourself.
Oh,
Thank you.
free oranges. Help yourselves.
Tapos yung seedless. Or maybe we can make some,
Orange juice.
yeah, with ginger.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's fine. Thank you.
Thank you. To whoever owns this house, thank you.
Ano?
Oh, this is Papa's garden.
Tingnan mo,
Alin? Ano yan?
Tingnan mo doon, ayun, ang dami.
Alin? Ay!
Liga, dito ka.
Ayun.
Dito ka.
Tignan mo yung, look at those, ano yung tong sa English ito, suha?
Grapefruit. Grapefruit.
Oh, ayun. Ay, naman, lalaki
Look at those. Wow.
Kailan lang kami kumuha ng isa, pitas namin, ang tamis.
Wow.
Ha? Yan yung nilalagay sa kwan, adobo. Gusto mo kumuha, patuyuin mo.
Laurel.
Oo.
Oh, look at those laurel.
Laurel.
Bay leaves. He has a lot of veggies and fruits here. Ayan ang kalamansi. Wow, oh my God. Ayan, ang daming kalamansi sa taas, oh. Oh, what are you doing?
Digging. Goodness daw sa'yo. Oh, yeah, may nakabulat.
Galing ah.
Oh, oh my God.
Kaya itanim mong ganyan.
Ano yan? Ito, yan yung kamote.
Yan ang kamutin laman niya.
Come on.
Yan ang kinakain ng grouper.
OMG.
Yan buong ganyan para lumaki. Ayan, ang mag-asawa nagtatanim ng malunggay. Kapag lumaki daw, magtitinula sila.
Sarap yung tinola.
Yun, masarap daw ang tinola.
Ayan si Papa. Nagdidilig ng kanyang malunggay.
Bago ni mo baliw. Ang amo ano? Ay, mo baliw.
We are gonna eat out here at Food Trip. Ayan, Food Trip. Oh, look at my pansit canton. Ay, ano ba ito? Look at my chicharong bulaklak. Pa, where are we? Asan tayo? Food Trip. Ayan, ayan, may kaming sinigang and shrimp fried rice. And we're still waiting for the Mickey Bihon. Ayan. Ayan, yung Mickey Bihon ni Papa. Favorite mo yan? Taga mo mausok ko.
Sili lang ilalagay.
Ready po. Cooking some pork ears. We need to wait. He's eating already.
What are you doing?
Making the paste
Taste for?
of the pork ears.
Oh. Okay. What are you doing? Making the dough for the rice and what? Palitaw. What is that? You will see in a bit.
We're making the toasted sesame seeds. Oh, look at our food, our dinner. Fried fish. Oh, and then nagluto ako. We cook ng pork ears. And then suka. And then I made some palitaw. And then soda. Wow! We're just waiting for Lulu, which is...
I'm here.
Ayan, si Papa! Let's eat!
That's it now. Come on.
Eat!
Hindi gumagana ba na?
Coke! Cheers!
Here, Dr. Pepper. See?
Wow!
Masarap. Walang pulis.
Wow! Oh, it's nighttime already. And we're just watching the birds getting accustomed to their new place. I think they like their new place already. They like to play. Let me show you around. So here are the birds. This one's eating. They're so cute. Look at this bird. And they poop a lot. We just cleaned the bridge because there was a lot of poop. We took out the swing because they made a lot of poop. So we had to clean it. Hi. Hello.
The next day.
Back to fixing the cage. At what time? Anong oras na? 8?
Yeah.
8:30. Hey guys, while he's fixing the cage, let's cook crab and corn soup. So I'm gonna put water. While I'm waiting for that one to boil, let's dissolve this one first. Oh, did you get the bird? Let me see. Ay, isn't that injured? Cute. Okay, so here is the soup. Just gonna keep stirring it. And then I'm gonna add 1 egg. Let's get an egg. Let's see, 2. 2 eggs for now. Already put the egg inside. So here's what it looks like. This is ready.
1 hour later.
Golden Coral. Ayan. Let's eat. Look at this food. Ayan, oh.
See? Oh, wow, talaga na.
Wow.
Ito, bawal ito pag may pulis.
Okay, let's eat. We're going
Bingwit tayo
to
ng trout.
Sonfang.
Oh, yan.
And
Okay, lang,
go to Ostrich Farm.
Sunin natin. Dami, oh. Ayun, iba nakahiga na, oh. Busog na.
Ayan, we are here at Ostrichland. Nadaling ko sila. First time ni Papa. It's their first time here sa Ostrichland.
Alam ko tunay yung rabbit.
Tunay nga! That's real! Ayan, real! Oh.
Tunay yung nakatunga.
Yeah! Oh, kunin nyo na yung ano nyo. Oh, dali. Dito, you know. That's real. That one's real.
Ay, ito nakatali, hindi.
Oh. Ayan sa baba. Oh.
Rabbit. Bawat to kay ulo. Oh, ayun, yung maamo. Yung maamo.
Oh, dali. Doon ka. Halika. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh.
Tayo mo lang.
Oh, wait lang daw.
Maglilinis na lang siya.
Kaya mo yung puso mo.
Oh, yun, doon ka. Ayan. Oh, ayan. Ayan na, oh.
Dali.
Anong meron?
Tamad.
Bakit ayaw niya? Ayan.
Bilaw ka na.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yan. Apa, smile.
Well,
1, 2, 3.
Busog na sila.
Ayan. Ayan. Oo, ayan na.
ano, Jurassic Park.
Tinan mo yung mga mata niya.
Nakatakot eh.
Oh, dali. Sinisipat-sipat pa niya. Wow. Oh, smile dito, smile. Oh.
Ay, saraw eh.
Oh, God. Ayun, ayun.
Ulitin.
Oh my gosh.
Ayan. Isnabero.
Ayan, ayan.
Oh. Ayun, isnabero. Yung mga paa nila, kakatakot. Kala mo Jurassic Park. Hindi mo na sinuot yung sapatos sa puto.
Lagyan mo ng cutics.
Oo, dapat tayo. Ayaw.
nakikikikik mo.
Ay pa. Dancing.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my god. Gutom na gutom siya. Oh my goodness. Sabi ko sa'yo, ayaw na. Ayaw nila nakikikikik mo. Ayaw nila ng... Ha? Alin?
May coconut.
Ayaw nila nakikikikik.
So what are you getting? Just a magnet? Yeah. Okay, $4.30.
Oh my god, Chad! You tamed him! Ayan, he's looking at you. Mag-hello ka.
Hello.
Listening to you.
Hello.
How did you do that?
I just put it on both of his claws and then lifted him up softly.
Look at them.
Hello.
He's already on his finger.
Cute, oh.
The next day.
We're heading home. As you can see, guys, left and right, green fields. Good for your eyes. Take a look. Diba? Ganda. Yan ang kagandahan pag long drive in really.
This is what you don't see in LA. I love seeing these green fields.
See you again soon.